Hi viewers, today I will discuss recent top important MCQs of botany for the preparation of competitive exam like Punjab Public Service Commission, Federal Public Service Commission and NTS exam. So let's move towards our today lecture. Which of these is the most advanced phylogenetically among the dicotyledonous families? The correct option is D. Compositae. Number 2. The substitute for the newly collected specimen when the original type material is missing in a herbarium is entitled as. The correct option is B, that is neotype. Number 3. If all the puddles and ponds are destroyed, the entities likely to be destroyed are. The option is A, Plasmodium. Number 4. In the 5 kingdom system of classification, into which kingdom would you classify nitrogen fixing organisms and archaea? The option is D, Munera. Number 5. This is considered as a demerit of the angular and parental in the system of classification. Option B, dicotyledons are placed after monocotyledons. Number 6. The basis of phenetic classification is. The option is A, observable characteristics of existent entities. Question number 7. Difference between the natural system of plant classification and artificial system of classification is. The option B, considers all the similarities between plants. Question number 8. This system of classification was used by Linnaeus. Answer C, artificial system. Question number 9. Pick the right sequence of taxonomic categories. Answer C, first division, then class, order, family, tribe, genus and species. Question number 10. New systematics term was coined by. Answer is D, Julian Huxley. Question number 11. Indole 3-acetic acid is the most common naturally occurring plant hormone of class. The answer is B, auxin. 12. This hormone is not a growth inhibitor. From all of these options, the answer is D, IAA, indole acetic acid. Question number 13. Is a gaseous plant hormone? Option B, ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. Number 14. A widely used rooting hormone is. Answer B, NAA. Question number 15. The leaf defoliator utilized in the Vietnam War by the USA known as Agent Orange was. Option A, 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T. Question number 16. Transport of auxin is. Answer D, polar. Formation of the nodule is induced by. Answer A, both. Answer A, IAA. Question number 18. This is the precursor of indole 3-acetic acid. Answer B, tryptophan. The bioassay is used to detect the presence of auxin. Option D is correct. Split pea stem curvature test and Avena curvature test. Question number 20. Which of these is not a function of auxin? Answer is B. Inducing dormancy. Question number 21. Which of these plants may not be suitable for the cultivation through hydroponics? Option B. That is known as carrot. Which of these is the fiber obtained from the coconut husk? Answer is C. Coir. Question number 23. The form of hydroponics that does not require a growing medium at all is? Option D. Aeroponics. Question number 24. Plants with larger roots can be cultivated with which of the following types of hydroponics? Option C is correct. That is nutrient film technique. Question number 25. Hydroponics is a method of cultivation of plants without the use of? Answer C. Soil. Question number 26. Which of the following is not true about hydroponics? Option D. Plants through hydroponics cannot be cultivated everywhere. 27. Question number 27. Salts and water in hydroponic plants are absorbed by? Option D. Outer layer of plants. Question number 28. The scientist who used nutrient culture solution in hydroponic culture was? Nope. Option A. Question number 29. Deficiency of mineral nutrition does not cause which of these? Option B. Etiolation. Question number 30. Roots of plants in hydroponics are submerged in a solution of dissolved? Option A. Fertilizers. Thank you very much. Subscribe channel for further videos. Thanks to all of you.